In this video I am going to show how to create payslip for a fixed monthly amount for an employee. Note that before creating the payslip you must create an employee and then create the employee's payslip items first. When completing payslip items for each employee, these will automatically show up on creating payslip, thus facilitating the atomization of payslip. Note payslip items can also be edited and added during the process of payslip creation. Here you can insert a fixed monthly amount for the employee. Now go to Payroll. Create Payslip. Create new payslip. Select the department which you want to process for the salary. Employee list automatically appears if you select its department. Select an employee whom you want to process payslip. Select pay frequency. Select pay term in which you want to calculate the payment amount. This time I am selecting fixed pay term. We have another video where I had shown how to create payslip with selecting pay per hours worked, which is differently calculated. Fixed monthly amount, that is pre-imputed. It was imputed when you created staff by selecting fixed pay term. Select month. Pick a payment date. This is the salary details of this employee. Note that if there is no bonus amount, absent or deduction items on given time period, then the payslip process is done here. You may validate it by selecting the Run Payslip button right down here. Let's talk about the pay calculation section. Fixed pay is the monthly basic salary for the month for this employee. This amount is preset. It shows left here total months and total amounts as well. Note you can add maternity, holiday, recuperated hours, sick paid. On doing so they appears on the left as they included in the monthly fixed pay amount and do not add to the total pay. And you can deduct absences, unpaid sick which is deducted from the fixed pay. You can add allowances, bonuses which are added to the fixed pay amount under taxable or non-taxable allowance. Taxable allowance shows allowance where tax is deducted. Noting any payslip item your allowances may be edited. For this exercise, housing allowance and car allowances classified as taxable allowance. Tax deduction refers to income taxes. This can be preset in payslip items for the employee. Below the total gross pay after tax deduction is shown. Here is the government deduction payslip items for pension, unemployment and medical insurance for this employee. There are payslip items for government deductions and other complementary deductions, each covering medical and pension, unemployment contribution, normally a government deduction. Note company contributions are shown below the net payable total at the bottom. These are paid by the company and not deducted from the staff's pay. All payslip items, contributions and deductions for employees and company can be preset, edited and may be calculated with a fixed amount or by percentage of the gross pay before tax. Finally, the payslip shows the net payable total. Talking about other things. Payslip items for an edit. You can add value or edit value on items here. In this case you have to press these icons so that you can have a street to edit or add a new one. For hour worked, overtime, holidays, bonus items, edit this where you create payslip. For allowances like home allowance, government deduction, complementary deductions items, edit this in staff profile. Showing an example. Insert a new value for unpaid sick leave and paid sick leave. Here we have to reselect the department and employee, then have a permission to input. Putting a new time total on both unpaid sick leave and paid sick leave box. Select month and then press View Payslip. Look, the new value for unpaid sick leave has arrived. Paid sick leave amount appears on the list with its amount, but the amount isn't deducted because paid sick leave amount is also under total fixed pay amount. Showing once for allowance. Go to the employee profile and select one which we want to edit its value. Reload the page and look at allowance value is now added. Process is done, now by pressing the Run Payslip button to express it. Then click View to see the payslip of this employee. Look at all the given value has added on it. Until next time, make you tried once to see how simple this whole process can be. Thank you very much.